Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And today what do we have? Well, we have those Toyota Tundras and we've done some great things to it. But before I get into that is our telephone number. So if you have questions, you can give us a call. We'll go over everything we have done today. Now, I will be putting a link of this product, actually multiple products, at the bottom of this YouTube video so you can check out pricing and that being said. So come on over here, buddy. As you can see, here's a new Toyota Tundra here, and this is a good looking cover on a good looking truck. Now, this is the Retrax Pro XR. Now, I'm going to go over a few things. Now, the Pro is basically, it is the all metal one. So they have to make a Retrax 1, which is the polycarbonate, and they make the Pro, which is the upgraded one, which is all this is metal here. Now, this is really nice. They powder coated here. It's got a nice texture finish, nice and matte black, so it does go with everything. And this one here is one of the big strong ones. It's got a 500-pound capacity. So this is the big dog here for holding weight. Now, this is also the XR rail. Now, if you're not familiar with the XR rail, it's a T-slot so you can add racks. Now, if you look behind me, you'll see that like this one here has the Elevate system on here, and you can see Elevate system as well as my truck over there. You can see all the racks on there. That has an Elevate system, also Go Rhino, as well as some Tuxedo tie downs. All that stuff you can do once you get the XR rail / T-slots. Now, I like the Pro for a couple of reasons. One, it's got a wonderful warranty, a lifetime warranty. Of course, it holds 500 pounds, so it's one of the stronger ones out there. And it is a double piece of metal. Now, a lot of covers is a single piece of metal. So when the sun hits it, it goes right through, kind of like a pan. This one has this single piece, and then it's got an arch underneath it, which adds strength. But having two pieces of metal in this keeps the heat from going through this. So it's more moderate inside. Now, obviously, it's not going to be air conditioned there, but if you're going to pick up your groceries, you don't want it 100,000 degrees inside your bed. So having two pieces of metal is going to keep the interior of your bed more moderate. Now, this also has some features that's exclusive to this model, and I'm going to tell you what it is. This one here, let's go ahead and open it all up so you can see here. This one here has a feature that's really good. I'm going to go ahead and roll it here. Now, I can stop this anywhere along the track. Unless you get electric cover, this is the only manual cover that you can do that. So if you want to put it in the middle, you can put it anywhere you want. You just push it down, it locks in place. And it's a pretty easy cover to open and close. Now, if you look here, you got your canister here, but if you notice, there is room underneath the canister. Obviously, you can see what we put in the bed here. This is the Bedslide here, and I believe it's the Bedslide 1000. Yes. Now, the 1000 is referring to the weight. Now, this gentleman here has got all the bins on here, and I love the bins. And let's go over here. Now, I want you to see a few things for him. Now, this bin kit, you can buy these separately, or you can buy as the whole set, which is what this customer did. He got all the bins in here. Now, you can get them in silver, you can get them in black. The silver is a little less money, but the black look a little better. So, one thing I want you to notice here, he has a canister here. So, Buddy, who is our master tech, by the way, he's the one who did all the work on this. If you notice, he put these up here, and you got the lower part. So this part will go underneath the canister. This part here will stop right in front of it. I want you to see, now Buddy's behind the camera, so I'm gonna make his head get big, but I want you to see how well this lines up. So I'm gonna roll this back. I want you to see, look at that. Now, that bar does a couple things. One is it will protect the canister. So if you have something tall in here, and if you know you attach it to this bar, it's not going to hit the canister because it stops right in front of it. But the bottom part does go underneath there. Now, this bin here, you can lock in place more or less anywhere here. It kind of holds in place because the way it's set up, it is considered a divider. You can put it in the back here. We put it in the middle. But you can also, if you wanted to, you can take this, and let's go ahead and show you where else you can go. So now I got this in my truck, and I got mine right here. Now you can kind of put it anywhere you want, but now what's nice about this, I have jumper cables and all kinds of other things in there. You can see right underneath the canister there. So nice fit, and you do have room above it. So if things are a little higher than the actual bed bin itself, you're not going to have an issue. Also, if you look here, you see all the tie downs are inside there. So if you're going to put something on the bed slide, you can secure it on there very nicely. So you got your little bins here, you got your bigger bins here, you got a bin up front. This is probably one of the smartest ways for storage for your bed. This is a great look. Also, I want to show you another thing. I'm going to pull this out here. If you're going to look how the actual bed slide is attached to this composite bed by Toyota. Now, this is not a steel bed, so how they designed this, this is specifically made for this truck. This is bolted into the existing factory setup. I do like that a lot. I know Buddy liked it because when he put it in, and it went a little smoother for it. So if you're doing this for yourself at home, you're not drilling. I know a lot of the steel beds, you have to drill the hole, you have to put the thread in there. This one, you didn't have to do that, so that is a little bit easier and a little bit nicer. Also, if you look on the Retrax, you can see it is attached to the cargo management system, and I do like that because I don't know if you can tell that it's not going anywhere. It's very, very secure. All in all, this is a wonderful setup. I do like the little bed rugs inside the bins here. By the way, you can get a bed rug for this if you want the same setup on this. I did with mine. I got a universal one and I just trimmed it to fit. Worked just fine. So if you ever decide you want to say, you know what, I like that bed rug and I want to get it everywhere, that is not a problem. Again, we can go ahead and put this right in here. This is where this guest liked it. He likes to keep his, let's say, groceries up front, keeps it from moving around. All in all, oh, by the way, you can't stop at different spots. So if you don't want to pull it all the way out, like here, if you notice I stopped it here. Now this is a 70-30 setup. What does that mean? Well, I'm going to pull it all the way out and kind of show you. Basically, 70% of this is going to come past the bed. 30% is in the bed. And it's designed so you can still reach in there and get the stuff, but you know, the bulk of everything is outside the bed. So it is a wonderful setup. I can't say enough about it. I really like this. Obviously, I'm biased. I have a Bedslide in my personal truck. And knowing you put all your good things in there, of course, let's go ahead and you can see it's very easy to close. Let's see, lock it in there. By the way, if you're wondering what this is, if you live up north, you don't want water to get into the lock and freeze your lock. So they put this little cover on there to keep the elements from getting into the lock. Also, this is one of the few covers, if not one of the only covers, that seals the canister when it's closed. You see the little strip here? Oh, by the way, FYI, if you put this in yourself and you didn't get it from us and you see this thing not lined up like this, you put it in wrong. This is when your visual clues it was put in right. See how nice and straight that black line is? That's to let you know it's put in right. Okay, so again, we have the Bedslide 1000 CL. We have the Bedslide bins. We have the Retrax Pro XR. And you got a brand new Toyota Tundra, and I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. And again, I'll put a link for all this stuff at the bottom of this video so you can take a look at it, or just give us a call. And you can always come in here, let's put in for you. We do put a 1-year labor guarantee on everything we do. So anything we put on, it is guaranteed. So you got the manufacturer covering the parts, we're covering the labor. And before I go, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.